Pradyut Kishore Debbarman accompanies Biplab Kumar Deb to Delhi, may be called for discussion with JP Nadda over state issues. As anticipated well in advance, the centre of gravity of Tripura's ruling party politics has shifted to Delhi with the Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, BJP State President Dr. Manik Saha and reformist MLA Ram Prasad Paul having left for Delhi yesterday. The trio is scheduled to have intensive discussion with BJP's National President JP Nadda today over likely expansion of the 8-member Council of Ministers and restructuring of the organization. While the Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb is expected to be appropriately instructed by Nadda on the shape of expansion of the ministry, especially to include a minister from the scheduled caste community that is conspicuous by missing ever since the ministry was formed way back in March 2018. Besides, the post of the party president has also become a matter of contention as the dissident MLA Ram Prasad Pal is an aspirant for the post and has been in BJP all along his political career since the early 90s. For all these qualities, as a dental surgeon and teacher of medical college, Dr. Saha has not been able to make his presence felt, and this is the reason why the BJP central leadership is reportedly mulling a change in the position of party president, especially after the posting of Kishore Barman in Tripura from West Bengal. What concrete decision will finally emerge is not still clear because the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is on Thursday in Benares, and Home Minister Amit Shah, who is preoccupied with other important works, will have to clear the decision being arrived at by the party. Apart from this, the departure of Tipra Motha Supremo Pradyut Kishore Debbarman for Delhi yesterday along with the Chief Minister has also sparked a lot of conjectures. Having successfully outwitted and misled the state BJP bosses into accepting the 35,000 young refugees from geographically much larger and demographically much smaller Mizoram in overpopulated Tripura, Pradyut is trying to further his party's prospects in the assembly elections after capturing the ADC with a clear majority. Sources close to Pradyut said that at the moment his agenda is to act as the protector engine of the ruling dispensation and let it stay out of its name, and then he is hoping to win all 20 ST seats and at least 3 general seats to bargain for chief ministership in the 2023 assembly polls. Moreover, as the IPFT party seems to have totally degraded in the state, especially have lost all its power and strength in the hills, Tipra Motha is the only ray of hope for the BJP in the state for the ensuing 2023 ADC election. The scenario of both Chief Minister and Pradyut boarding the flight in next to next seat to Delhi has been claimed to be extremely significant by the political analyst. Bureau Report, Halabol.